Hi there, and welcome to our virtual back to school night. Hi, I'm Lauren Hollingsworth, and I teach Advanced Days American and Advanced Days World History. And I'm looking forward to going through just a few slides with you to introduce those courses and myself. I graduated from Truman State University a while ago and was thankful to find a teaching position here at Lee Summit North, where I teach social studies and I also help plan and coordinate graduation for our school. I'm actually married to a fellow LSR 7 history teacher. He teaches sixth grade at East Trails Middle School. Our two kiddos, we've got Caleb here and Delaney. Caleb is 18 months and Delaney is almost 5. And together we love to travel and go hiking, just spending time outdoors, reading as a family. The adults at least drink a lot of coffee. We love music and just spending time together. For our class overview in American history, we do take on the 20th century primarily, with industrialization being our first official unit. I do like to dip back into a few of the major outcomes and themes from Reconstruction, as it really does serve as a foundation for the 20th century. And we hope to get through Vietnam even into the 1980s. And in world history, we do a quick crash course of ancient and medieval history before we get to that modern era, primarily focusing in on the Renaissance and Reformation. And we hope to get through World War II in this course. I encourage your student to bring a packet or have some line paper with them in class, primarily for note taking. And those notes and handouts from class will go just in a simple 2-pocket folder. And writing utensils always encouraged, as it says, highlighter, some maybe colored pencils, maybe even a skinny expo marker would be helpful. And index cards or post-it notes. Those final two things there in that list will help with any type of reading annotation that we do, or to help with research that we'll be doing in class. Wanted to touch base on my philosophy for really learning and learning in my classroom, and it boils down to these 3 C's: curiosity, communication, and critical thinking. Necessary to start those off strong and sturdy is going to be empathy. So, if you marry the idea of empathy with these 3 C's, I think you've got a recipe for success, right? So if you build empathy into your curiosity when you're asking questions like why and how, it's so important. When you build empathy into communication, when you're discussing ideas and trying to connect with someone else's point of view, that's just necessary. So you kind of can see how empathy is crucial for really participating in not just a social studies classroom, right, but life. And so I really hope to grow all of these things together as best as I can with your student and in our classroom. As I said, I do believe strongly in communication. It's essential. So that goes for you, parents and guardians at home. My email is there. I will also be using Schoology. So let's start off and just stay connected. I will also be using Remind as a tool to stay connected. What this does is it allows me to send reminders or announcements to your student or you. You are welcome to sign up and get the same texts that your student will receive. And so simply, if you go to your text messages and plug in the number 81010, your message will just actually be the @ sign. And I failed to include this on this slide. But for example, if you are in the first hour, you will text the number 81010. And in the message, do @ ASAH1. And you will be connected into our Remind. So I will also be providing time in class for your student to do this as well. Thank you. I know that was really quick. I really just wanted to introduce myself quickly and share a bit about the course, what we'll be studying, and how to stay connected. So I wish you, families, and also obviously your student an amazing year. I love history and I love students, so I really do have a dream job. And again, thank you for your time.